Good morning, Ram fam, and welcome to this week's edition of the Saturday Spark, where I hopefully can give you a little training inspiration for your Saturday morning meeting. Here we are, last weekend of the month, and you know how we conduct end of the month meetings. We keep them positive, to the point, and focus on what will help you sell a few more cars between now and the close. This month, we're focusing on our foundations, and there's nothing more fundamental than making sure every appointment shows. We have numbers to hit before this month closes, and we don't want to just hit these numbers. We want to crush them, right? We're making Christmas money here, everybody. And to crush these numbers, we need to focus on the basics, and that's confirming appointments. Managers, this is totally on you because there's no better way to make a great first impression with a customer than getting them excited for their visit. All you're doing is confirming the appointment time and dropping a little Texas. Yes, you're going to have those vehicles that you discussed, gas cleaned and out front by the time they arrive. And when they arrive, you're going to say hi. Boom, it's that simple. And the word track, I put it front and center in the Adapt VT dashboard. Get in there, download it when we're done. You can use this same exact word track for text or video confirmations. Managers, if you're not doing this, get on it. I guarantee you're going to see a bounce in your show rate. I don't know what you're doing. This is a no-brainer and almost a basic of the job. Sales and BDC teams, you think I forgot about you this week? Never. I need you to be effective appointment setters. All you need to remember, 3 simple things. Sell that sizzle, give the shopper a reason to see you, hook that trade, and assume the appointment. Managers, you know what you need to do this week. Confirm appointments. Sales and BDC teams, you need to be effective appointment setters. Get out there and crush it. Have an amazing close, a happy Halloween, and I'll see you next week.